Hello YouTube family, let's see installation process of Magnus Pro V2.1 indicator. Go to website www.magnuspro.shop. Click on Buy Now. Select your payment method. You can use any method, UPI, cash-free payment, Binance or crypto payments. After selection, you will redirect on checkout page. Fill the name, last name, country, mobile number and email address. After fill up, click on Proceed. Select any option and network. Copy the address and make payment. After successful payment, indicator will delivered automatically on your email address. You will get a zip file. Right-click and extract. Open your MT4. Open the folder, double-click on installation file, again open the MT4, click on File, click on Open Data folder. Copy the folder destination, paste on installation directory. Click on Install, close the setup and open MT4. Right-click and refresh. Again right-click, go to Templates and select Magnus Pro V2.1. Now it's done. Enjoy YouTube family, like, share and subscribe for more updates.